I've been on 2 cruises, and they've been a lot of fun. But for a person with special needs, you want to have what they need to feel comfortable.
Hi, I'm Abby, and welcome to my channel. I'm a former Next Amazing National finalist, and my YouTube channel, Adventures Beyond Boundaries, I will tell you about my daily life travel and lots of fun things. So hit that subscribe button and have the notifications on. See you soon. Bye.
This is a video of the cabin on the first cruise I took. And as you can tell, there are lots of places to put the things you might need. I saw a video for a program for people with special needs called Autism on the Sea. The dad on the YouTube channel Father Autism is chatting about what they did on the ship, their fun excursion, and lots of food they ate. The Culture Study program provides the bags with items to help people with special needs feel more comfortable on the ship.
Hi, if you would like to see what I did on the Queen Mary 2, click here. Happy event!